Welcome to Quest Software Foglight Video Solutions. This video will cover how to add a new license and install a MySQL cartridge into Foglight. My name is John Sakalauskas, and I am a technical product specialist for the Foglight product. MySQL monitoring requires a separate license and cartridge. Each MySQL cartridge contains extensions for monitoring a MySQL database management system. Cartridges are installed on the Foglight management server. A cartridge contains an agent that is used to collect data from monitored environments. This video describes how to add a license and install a new MySQL cartridge into the Foglight management server. Copy the license and the cartridge to your desktop, and then log into the Foglight management console. From the navigation page, change the view to the expert view if the standard view is displayed. Navigate to Dashboards, Administration, Setup, Manage Licenses. Click the Install button, and then in the pop-up, click the Choose File button to browse and find the license file on your desktop. Then click the Install License button. Once the license has been loaded successfully, it will be listed in the bottom panel of the Manage Licenses page. Select Dashboards, Administration, Cartridges, Cartridge Inventory. The Cartridge Inventory screen appears. Click the Install Cartridge button and then the Choose Files button. Load the .car file by browsing to the location where the .car file exists and then clicking on Install Cartridge. Leave the Enable on Install checkbox checked. Once the installation is completed on the Foglight management server, the new cartridge will appear in the list below as an installed cartridge. To learn more about Foglight for databases, visit support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us on Twitter at QuestExperts.